Good afternoon. Just doing a mic check, mic test, using the Comica lavalier microphone connected to Insta360 I can't really close the visor all the way down because I have this the strap that mounts the camera in front of my helmet, so you might hear some noise. Right now the microphone is pointing. Well, I mounted inside on top of the windshield of this helmet, pointing it to, I think, to the side. I can't really point it towards my mouth, so hopefully it's omnidirectional. Hopefully it's an omnidirectional microphone. Sorry, I'm not used to riding and talking by myself at the same time. So we're in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Cloudy day. Looks like it's going to rain, but seems like not. Well, I woke up. I'm supposed to wake up earlier this morning. I'm supposed to join some Triumph guys riding. I guess I missed that. So let's take a look at some of the KL views. That's the museum, National Museum. I think I'm gonna have some breakfast. Well, that's the new Merdeka Tower. It's still under construction. You can see it. Oh, it's like I'm a tour guide here. Gonna go grab some breakfast in KL in one of the cafes. If I can remember where it is. Can't really remember the name of the cafe, but it's somewhere in KL. That's the old Istana, the old palace. The Agong, or the king, has moved to a new palace in somewhere in Kiara area. That's the old palace that they make a museum. I think I'm supposed to go in here. Can't really remember. I think so. Let's check. Yeah. It's a driving school. Did I go here? No. I think I had my test here. Still remember the days. At least nowadays these kids are using a nice Axia. During my time I used Kanchil. Very unsafe. What is that driver doing? don't know, can you hear it? Maybe you can't. Oh well, while we're waiting for the traffic light. Yeah, as I was saying, this the shim issue. This bike is 2017, it's 2020 now, end of 2020. Trump just lost. It was in the news when I woke up this morning. Yay. Well, it was an interesting year for the past 4 years on CNN and all the news channels and all the talk shows, the comedy talk shows like Trevor Noah, all the late night shows there. Most of the materials are about Trump, and it's funny, you know. So now with Biden, I don't know, they got to find new materials to maintain the audience. Okay. And we are here at Fast Bikes. Aiyo, we still haven't fixed this. For the ride. Some potential new buyers in town. I love my bike. It's nice. That's the new Rocket. Check it out, guys. This is a Rocket GT. It comes with that what's the exhaust? Oh, the exhaust is there. Look at the tires, man. It's all muscular. Sounds pretty smooth for the exhaust on the side. Look at that, man. It's nice. I like the rear. Okay, time to register. Just want to go in.